What if the middle-class lifestyle you're living right now is just the beginning? Imagine breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, building wealth, and creating a life where money is a tool, not a constant worry. Moving from the middle class to the ranks of the wealthy isn't just for lottery winners or Silicon Valley geniuses. It's about making intentional decisions and smart financial moves that stack up over time. In today's video, we're diving into the strategies and mindsets that can help you level up your finances, break free from middle-class norms, and build the kind of wealth that changes lives. If you've ever wondered what separates the wealthy from the rest, let's find out together. Number 1, rethink the middle-class mindset. The first step to moving beyond the middle class is letting go of the mindset that keeps you stuck there. Middle-class living often revolves around earning money to spend it, a bigger house, a nicer car, or the latest gadgets. Wealth, on the other hand, is about accumulating and growing your assets over time. Start by asking yourself, do I want to look rich or do I want to be rich? This shift in perspective changes how you approach every financial decision. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle with every raise or bonus, invest that money into assets that grow in value, like stocks, real estate, or a business. Rethinking your mindset also means embracing delayed gratification. While the middle class often seeks immediate rewards, the wealthy know that holding off on unnecessary purchases can lead to much greater payoffs in the long term. For example, skipping a $1,000 vacation today could mean thousands in investment returns a decade from now. Number 2, invest in yourself. One of the biggest differences between the middle class and the wealthy is how they spend their time and money. While the middle class might prioritize entertainment or comfort, the wealthy prioritize education and personal growth. Take advantage of every opportunity to upskill or learn something new. This could mean getting certifications, taking courses, or simply reading books on topics like investing, leadership, or entrepreneurship. Remember, your earning potential increases dramatically when you become an expert in something valuable. Additionally, network strategically. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to grow. Connections with mentors, peers, or even online communities can expose you to new ideas and opportunities you might not encounter otherwise. Think of your knowledge and skills as assets that appreciate in value. Whether you're learning to manage investments, build a business, or navigate new markets, these abilities will compound over time and directly impact your earning potential. Number 3, master the art of saving and investing. The middle class often saves what's left over after expenses. The wealthy, however, save and invest first, then live on what remains. This approach is a game changer. Start by creating a financial plan that prioritizes saving and investing. Automate your savings to make it effortless. Aim to save at least 20% of your income, with a portion of that going into investments like index funds, retirement accounts, or diversified portfolios. Once your savings are consistent, focus on investments that generate passive income. Real estate is a popular choice among the wealthy because it can provide cash flow while appreciating in value. Dividend-paying stocks and businesses you own or invest in are also excellent ways to grow wealth over time. Remember, investing isn't about taking wild risks. It's about making calculated decisions and letting compound interest work in your favor. The earlier you start, the more your investments will grow. Number 4, escape lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest traps keeping people in the middle class is lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, so does your spending, but it doesn't have to resist the urge to upgrade your car, house, or gadgets just because you can. Instead, channel that extra money into wealth-building activities. Remember, the goal isn't to impress others, it's to secure financial independence. A practical way to avoid lifestyle inflation is by setting clear financial goals. Whether it's retiring early, paying off your mortgage, or building a nest egg for your kids, having a purpose for your money makes it easier to say no to unnecessary spending. Here's an example. If you receive a $10,000 bonus, allocate it wisely. Instead of splurging on a vacation, use $7,000 to invest in stocks or real estate and reserve the remaining $3,000 for smaller luxuries. This balance keeps you on track while still allowing room for enjoyment. Number 5, build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is one of the riskiest financial moves you can make. Wealthy people understand this, which is why they often have multiple streams of income. Start with a side hustle, freelance work, or investing in income-generating assets. Over time, these additional streams can grow to match, or even surpass, your primary income. Consider these options for building extra income. Real estate rentals. Purchase property that can generate rental income, stock market dividends. Invest in stocks that pay regular dividends, side hustles. Leverage your skills to create a service or product. Digital products. Write an ebook, create an online course, or sell templates in your area of expertise. As you establish these streams, focus on scalability. Income sources that grow without constant input of time or effort are the ultimate goal. Number 6, focus on tax efficiency. Taxes can significantly impact your wealth building journey, but the wealthy know how to minimize their tax burden legally. Work with a financial advisor or tax professional to identify ways to reduce your taxable income. Contributing to retirement accounts, investing in tax-advantaged funds, and taking advantage of business write-offs are just a few strategies to consider. Additionally, understand the tax benefits of owning assets like real estate or running a small business. For example, rental properties can offer deductions for maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. Every dollar saved in taxes is a dollar you can reinvest in building wealth. Number 7, adopt a long-term mindset. Building wealth isn't about quick wins, it's about consistent long-term progress. The middle class often looks for immediate rewards, while the wealthy are willing to delay gratification for bigger payoffs in the future. This mindset applies to both money and time. Be willing to make sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. This might mean saying no to expensive vacations, holding onto an older car, or spending evenings learning instead of relaxing. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, disciplined, and focused on your goals. Over time, the small decisions you make every day will compound into significant financial success. Number 8, the importance of financial literacy. One of the most significant differences between the middle class and the wealthy is their understanding of money. Financial literacy is a superpower that can completely change your trajectory. Dedicate time to learning about budgeting, investing, and wealth management. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial experts. The more you know about how money works, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions that grow your wealth. The wealthy don't rely solely on financial advisors. They actively participate in managing their money. Start by understanding concepts like compound interest, asset diversification, and the power of passive income. Breaking out of the middle class and into wealth is entirely possible with the right mindset, strategies, and discipline. By rethinking your financial priorities, avoiding common traps like lifestyle inflation, and focusing on saving, investing, and building multiple income streams, you can create a life of financial freedom. Remember, the journey to wealth isn't about luck, it's about consistent, intentional effort. Start small, stay focused, and watch as your financial decisions begin to compound into something extraordinary. So, what step will you take today to begin moving from middle class to wealth? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to level up their finances. See you in the next one.